Yiba Kids. Hi everyone. I'm Yona. And I'm gonna teach you small letters and big letters. Just follow my yellow star wand. Let's go. Big letter A. Small letter A. Big letter B. Small letter B. Big letter C. Small letter C. Big letter D. Small letter D. Big letter E. Small letter E. Big letter F. Small letter F. Big letter G. Small letter G. Big letter H. Small letter H. Big letter I. Small letter I. Big letter J. Small letter J. Big letter K. Small letter K. Big letter L. Small letter L. Big letter M. Small letter M. Big letter N. Small letter N. Big letter O. Small letter O. Big letter P. Small letter P. Big letter Q. Small letter Q. Big letter R. Small letter R. Big letter S. Small letter S. Big letter T. Small letter T. Big letter U. Small letter U. Big letter V. Small letter V. Big letter W. Small letter W. Big letter X. Small letter X. Big letter Y. Small letter Y. Big letter Z. Small letter Z. Great job, you finished it. You are very smart. I'm so proud of you. Keep on practicing every day until you are familiar to it. If you do memorize letters already, we can go next to the sound of letters. Video link is in the description.